In 1980, archaeologists investigated an apparently unremarkable tomb under a building site outside Jerusalem. They found a number of ancient bone boxes or ossuaries and a series of names that sparked a sensational claim. That this unremarkable tomb could contain the remains of Jesus Christ.
It's Jesus, son of Joseph.
His family, and shocking evidence that he was not resurrected, but married.
It's a reference to Mary Magdalene.
And that he even had a son.
If you're married, you have children.
This explosive theory gained influential backers from Hollywood movie directors.
People like drama.
To writers and filmmakers.
These could be the bones of Jesus. What greater drama is that?
But this radical theory has also outraged archaeologists. They say much of this so-called evidence is based on supposition, fantasy, and even forgery.
With this theory, everything you touch crumbles away.
This Talpiot tomb is not the family tomb of Jesus.
Almost 30 years after it was uncovered, controversy and conflict continue to rage over this ancient mystery.